What you have the opportunity to learn today, dear Pisces, is that you don't have to have the entire puzzle all put together right now. You don't have to have all the answers today in this moment. You don't have to have it all figured out. And my feeling is you've lived your life as though you do have to have it all figured out, that you do need all the answers and all the puzzle pieces in order to then be able to land in your life and then enjoy life. Wow, what a rule you've placed on yourself. And how exhausting, because can you see that you never really land? And can you see that you're constantly chopping and changing? You have to, because you're not landing. And you're not landing because you don't have all the answers. You don't have it all figured out. You don't have all the things that you think you need to have in order to be able to land and just relax and be in the body, be in your life. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it, for a Piscean? But it explains the chopping and changing for now anyway. And so the purpose of your forecast today is to remind you, and there's work to be done, by the way. These reminders are not useful if you're not doing the work. But there's work to be done, and it's just simply to remind you that all that matters is this present moment right now. And if there is an answer here available for you, use that. And if there isn't, then the question you're asking is not very useful, right? But most importantly, maybe sometimes it's the wording in the question that you're using that's not useful either. In fact, I do feel questions are very powerful depending on the words that you use when asking a question and the space that you're operating from when asking a question. But most importantly for the Pisceans at the moment, you need to land. We need to land this plane. We have to land it. And the only way that we can land it is by moving away from the idea that we have to have all the answers or have it all figured out.